This problem is for black to kill white on the corner. You should observe that white's eye space is really large. If white is to play, white can simply play something like this, and the corner will be alive because white has about 7 or even 8 points here on the corner, and it doesn't have many flaws in its shape. So black's thought process should be to reduce white's eye space. If you play this, it actually won't be enough because white will be able to live like this. So if number 1 is not enough, then black actually needs to go further. And the correct answer is this move, this clamping move. Now you should note that white actually cannot kill number 1, because if white plays at number 2, black can cut here and kill all these white stones, and the corner will be dead because the eye space on the corner now is too small. So the best white can do is this, and now black will just pull back. And the result will be something like this. White will not have enough eye space to live. So overall, this is a relatively straightforward problem. It's all about eye space, and black should think about how to reduce white's eye space to the fullest extent. Thank you for watching.